Hello, welcome to LBallet, the intermediate class with Sanne and Esme, and it's already our 18th class of this school year. We're starting with 2 hands at the bar and the elbows are down. We're working on the bending, the correct bending when you are on one leg. You need that for all your jumping work. And we have going on one leg, à la seconde, and close. Again, à la seconde, and close. Demi-plié first. Now you are in the center of 2 feet. You push your left foot through the floor and then you go over the ball of the right, stretch and hold and close on to 1 and 2. On 1 leg, on 2 legs. In the center, push yourself, hold your turn out in your left leg, hold and close. Same to the front, to the front, to the back, to the back. Not going on relevé, only a small cambre. Lift it over to the back. And lift it over to the back. Turn, stretching the hamstrings, parallel and turned out, etc. Yes, not junior class, my dear. It's intermediate. And we do know doing quite a lot already. 2. Lift yourself out of your pelvis, to the side, out, close, and out, close. Demi-plié, to the side, holding, close. Right foot, out, and close, and out, and close. Demi-plié. And across the floor, holding and close. The leg comes from the bottom of your hip, 2 and out. The focus is really in front of you and out, holding, closing in and right, close and turn out. Are you on the ball, Esme? Plié, going on the ball, yes. And to the back, derrière, 1, 2. And from the front of your, yes, that's correct. And going, holding, stretching, and hold your middle, hold your center. Yes, don't twist. 1, you're almost correctly now. Yes. And close, head to the left and over, elbows down and back and up and go. Lift your breastbone and back and turn, go. Your crown to the floor. And turn out and as near to the bar. And you can pull yourself forward, then you stretch more. And hold your turn out, arms, and come up. Going on, up, nice. Relax your fingers. Opening from the little finger, allongé, and plié, opening, plié, and thank you very much. Look, what helps is this, the grounds, should be a straight line in the plié. Look, when I go in, I turn in. So I have to hold this straight, flat line up. Oh, look, there you go. Fine. And look what a plie you have in the meantime. Do it again. And hold it straight. Very well. Now go on in the grand. Now you're turning out, my dear. Yes? So, for the people at home, when you can take an arrow and this arrow signs here, you're turning in. This should be flat and up, also in second, also in fourth, in the front leg, and that's a difficult leg, the front leg, and in fifth. That was nice. Okay, the pliés. We have a normal grand plié and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Arm picks me up, other arm. Now think about these grounds. Hold them up. So this is the wrong thing to do. The heels are falling down where they are. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. The last part, when you manage, you can do it with both arms, the whole last part. Second, fourth, fifth, third pas de bas consisting of a cambré to the front, a cambré to the back, and a cambré to the side. Turning fourth and fifth position. Okay, we are there. The arm picks up. Other arm. Yes, hold it. Nice. Good. And pick yourself up. It's the back over your stomach. Grand plié, hold. And take yourself with your arms. Demi-plié. And now lift and open. Yes, Esme. Oh, that's a revolution. And up. And stay. Oh, that's a beautiful relevé. Wow, son. And if you grab the bar, look at your hand. Front of your hips relaxed and plie and go. Nice. Up. Hold the ribs in the front. The back side is longer than the front side. 2 and 3. 4 and going up. And we stay up. Arm first and the front. Divide the music. Come up. Really dividing